Okay, I'm now standing on the south line looking west. I'm on the east end of the lot. You can see here the marking. This is the southeast corner. This is as big as the bush gets. It's just a bit along the south line. What we have over there is the highway. And this is the entire field, the 100 acres. What I'm filming here is the east line, looking north. This would be along Parent Road, the bit of bush we see at the back. That's pretty far away. That's the back line. In the middle here we have the remains of an old barn. The house and garage in the back are Roger Lachance's dwelling. Okay, right now we're on the east line, about midway north-south. I'm filming north right now. This would be the right now I'm looking west. And now I'm looking south. This is where I was standing on the previous shot there. That's the corner of the east corner, southeast corner. And over there you have Highway 11. It's fairly flat. A bit of brush to be cut. And this here, that little bit of wood, is on the north line, right against Parent Road. There's not much of it. Okay, I've now moved on to the northeast corner. You see Highway 11 over there. Roger Lachance's house. Bit of bush along Parent Road, which you can see on your right. So this would be the north line. And this would be the corner of it. I would say this is a bit of a high point. Because there's a lower area around there. A bit hard to see. You'll see from the top where we'll be providing. Okay, I'm midway on the north line, looking west. This would be the west line. You can see Roger Lachance's house there. Highway 11 is back there. The old barn structure. Fairly flat from here to the highway. This is Parent Road. Like I said, I'm midway, right beside that little bit of bush there, which can be very easily removed. Okay, I'm now standing on Parent Road looking east on the north line. This here would be like the boundary of the west line. This corner of the lot is not too good, very low. There's a small creek going across the road here where the sign is. You'll see this on the topo. And it runs along coming this way. And the heavier bush we see over there, the creek goes through that and all the way to the highway. This area here could be left as is because it's too low, and a little bit of a swamp. So, okay, standing on Parent Road. This is the little creek I was talking about. It's the lower area, northeast corner of the lot, northwest corner, sorry. And it goes across the road and on to another field on the other side. This is the west line going towards the north. The northwest corner would be somewhere back there. This is where I was filming from a couple of shots back. The little creek runs in the lower area here, and then across the road from the previous shot. Parent Road is over there, and this is the north line. That bit of bush in the middle again. This would be about the middle of the field right there. You can see the old structure, the old barn structure somewhere back there, right there. Okay, I'm now filming the west line looking north. You can see there's a bit of a slope going towards the west line. The creek runs along this bit of bush here. Like I say again, is very easily removed. It's a small popular trees. The creek is in the bush right there, and it runs all along the fence and then goes across in front of the barn structure that's over there, and then towards that little red house we can see in the back somewhere there. There it is. The creek is somewhere in the middle here. This is the west line looking south. Okay, this is the old barn structure. I'm on the west line looking southeast. This is the route of the little creek going across the field. It starts from the phone pole around the highway, runs along in front of the barn, the old barn structure, and it follows this old fence line. This would be the west line, where all those old pickets are from the fence line. I'm now looking north on the west line. West line again, looking north. This here would be the picket of the easement for the highway. This is Highway 11, looking west. The old barn structure. I'm now looking east, and this would be Highway 11 looking east. You see where the grass has been cut? That's the edge of the little creek that runs across the property.